How to fix lag while playing videos on full screen in YouTube. Now, in order to fix this issue, first of all, you have to figure out what might be causing this issue, because if your phone is outdated or old, that might cause it. And there might be no fix if that's the case. But if your phone is up to date and new but still this problem occurs, then you need to find the YouTube app and go to the app settings of YouTube. And after going into the app information or settings of YouTube, you need to figure out the option of storage under usage. Select the storage option and then tap to this clear cache button, and it will delete all of the cluttered cache from YouTube, and your YouTube might start working normally as before. Now, if this doesn't help and if you don't have any specific data that you want to preserve in YouTube, you should try clearing the data by tapping in this clear data button, and it will help to fix your problem. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.